Welcome to Stride University. Today we're going to kind of dive into a little bit on how gift cards work in Stride and some general setup. This is really a tutorial on how they work and some of the different things that can be done in the system. There are different tutorials on how to set up product variants and all of this fun stuff. But in this tutorial, I really just want to show some of the different capabilities of what you can do to customize gift cards for your customers and keep them happy. Now, so we'll start out and you can access gift cards anywhere from point of sale to sales. They're also going to be tied into inventory because you have to create a gift card product. But I'm going to start out by looking at the gift card program itself. And now here in my development environment or my demo environment, I've called this, our company's name is Hidden Treasures. So I've called this the Hidden Treasures gift card program. Now, what is unique about this is you can set this as available, you can set your availabilities, sales, website, point of sale, all of that good stuff. You can restrict it to a certain point of sales so that, registers. So if you have multiple registers, like, hey, this is maybe our VIP register and this gift card is only available for them. I don't know, whatever you want to do. But just some of the things I wanted to go over here for everyone involved. In order to trigger a gift card to be created in the system, we have to sell a product. And in this case, we have called this our gift card product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate my tab here, and I'm going to come and show you what that product is. Now, in my system, I've already got a couple of other products created, and I'll explain to you why as we go through. This one is erroneous. I don't need it. It was created in error, so you can archive them and do whatever you want. I've just left it there. But for me, this is my gift card product because you'll notice it doesn't have an asterisk. So I know that this is the one I was looking at over in my Hidden Treasures. You'll notice here, there's nothing special about it. I've called it a service. I've removed taxes because where I'm at, I don't charge tax on a gift card sale. I could set the category here, and this is where I would actually go through and set a specific category. And I'm actually going to create a new category today. I'm going to call it gift card and e-wallet. So the reason I want to do this is because I want to set it to a current liabilities account. And if I don't have one, I'm actually going to create one as well. But for right now, I'm just going to set it into my current liabilities here. And I'm also going to expense it to the same account. So oftentimes, you actually might even want to create a new current liabilities count, and we'll call this one notice as I've created that, we'll call this gift card / e-wallet liability account. So I'm going to save and close that. And I'm going to do the same thing here and make sure I get that set up just right here so that it creates an actual entry in the system. So I know that as I take cash for this, it's creating an accounting entry. If you're not using accounting, this part you can kind of skip. So I'm gonna go ahead and save and close that. This is my product category, so I can track that, and then I can set my sales price. Now, oftentimes maybe it might be better just to set your sales price as 0 because you're gonna sell this in the point of sale, and it doesn't really matter what it's going to start out at 0 anyways, and you're going to change that price. So you might as well just leave it as 0. So if we do that, now from here, if we go back to our that's all that this needs. Now, we could sell this online, but right now I actually have this set up not to sell online. You'll notice that because I have a red mark here that says it's not available in the website. If I was selling my gift card in my point of sale, and I'm going to duplicate this again and kind of go into my settings here. Every gift card can be sold in multiple ways. Now we have, if we come into our settings here, we can actually look at our gift card settings. So if we go to our gift card and loyalty programs, I can generate a PDF card, or I can scan existing cards. So that means if I have preloaded cards and I have a stack of $5 gift cards, $10 gift cards, and so on and so forth, I can actually grab that and it'll allow me to scan it, and it'll put the price in and everything that way. And then we also have that we can add a manual barcode and set the price. So this could be if you already have like pre-printed cards that are blank with value, you could scan that barcode and say, okay, I want to enter this as this is my barcode and it's a $25 gift card. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll show you kind of that example right here. As we scan that, it's going to be gift card. I haven't updated this, so it's going to come in at $25, but I'm going to set it at, I can put my random barcode number here, and I could have scanned the back of that, and then the amount would be this person wanted a $20 gift card. Perfect. Confirm. It's gonna, when I go through and validate that, it's gonna add that number into the gift card program itself here. So there'd be another gift card here, and it would have that number and that value. And then as that gift card was used, it would track how much was left in the gift card, all the accounting entries. So that's kind of a long explanation of what's going on with gift cards, but there's some cool things that we can do. So in here, this gift card isn't set to sell on the website because maybe I manually set my barcodes and I want to ship them. Well, I can do that by going back to my products here, and I've created a shippable consumable product that I have 6 variants for, and they are priced at different values here. So I can actually look at them and say, okay, I sell online, I'm going to sell 25, 50, 75, 100, so on, gift card. And when people go to buy that, they can go in and select that value there. And then it will create, at this point, it's going to create a delivery order for my staff to go in, and then what they'll need to do is create the gift card number in the system and then ship it. Now maybe online you don't want to have to ship gift cards. That's totally doable. What you'll want to do is you'll want to come into here and go back to your gift card and maybe create a new gift card here, or even use this one and set up some attributes and variants for this that people, and then publish on the website, and people could actually buy the gift card online, and it would assign them a unique code, and then it would send them an email with that unique code to say, hey, you're ready to go. So there's a lot of different things you can do with gift cards, and I want people to understand, and we want people to understand that you're not locked into, hey, you have to generate a PDF every time. No, you don't have to. You can do it that way if you want. You can do it by scanning a barcode. You can do it by having preloaded gift cards already made for you. So there's different things that can be done there, and you can actually set up, like I said, you can make it so that this guy has a value here, and you can set it at 25 and 50. And then when people go to the website to buy that, it's actually only going to give them that amount. We need to make sure that we set the price correctly, because right now it's not. So we'd actually want to go back into our product and say, hey, I'm going to grab some extra prices and set this on my variant, and it's going to be $25 gift card. And then I'm going to do another new one, set this on that variant, and it's going to be a $50 gift card. So now if I come back to my website, it's going to change the total there. I can add it to my cart, and when I check out, it's actually going to send me an email. It'll actually even give me a gift card confirmation, and I could see the code right there, and then people can spend from it. So, and then the last thing I want to do is, when we look at this gift card, I just want to show you what Stride does. So any gift card code that starts with a 0448 or 0044 or something, those are always going to be unique Stride gift cards. Those were created in the system and either emailed or printed out and given to the customer. Any number that doesn't start with that is actually going to be a number that we introduced, and Stride is helping us keep track of that. So kind of a long explanation, but I really want people to understand that if you want to sell a gift card online, you want to make sure that it is selected as the gift card product, that you can do all sorts of things with your gift cards. You can customize them and really get to use them across platforms, and your customers can purchase a gift card online, and even if it's not a plastic gift card, if you email them one, they can bring that into the store and they can still use that, and vice versa. If they buy a gift card in the store and it's a plastic one, they can use that same gift card code at checkout online and redeem it online. So cool things about Stride. Hopefully you haven't gotten too bored. You've learned a little bit about gift cards. And as always, as you're going through and setting up, make sure that you talk to your project manager or reach out to support and with any additional help that you might need. Thanks.